i-Candastria inama-factory ashiwe ama-China years back. Ayarusa. I think we count 15, 16 big factories in Nkangala. Who's taking care of those factories? Ukuthi kuvuleka amathuba, ikube nekhampani ezokwenza iqathula eNkangala njengoba ama-China nabo bebenza. Kube nekhampani ezokwenza ama-shirt, kube nekhampani ezokwenza ichoko, kube nekhampani ezokwenza amagauzi. Finish.
But
It's look at Candastria alone. How many people can we employ in Candastria? How many? From Siabuswa until Nkangala, Brongoprates Sitobeni, Delmas, Ngasuki Pass, Delmas, Lisabasebenze Broncospray, because they are so close.